All right, you ready for some writing? I think I am. All right, first thing I need to do, put my name at the top line up there where it says N-A-M-E. All right, I'm gonna follow that name down the side of my paper to the first line. And I'm gonna start on the left-hand side. That side right here is the left-hand side. And I'm gonna start with, I hope you're telling me, a capital letter. And I'm gonna write the word what. And it's one of our high frequency words, so I hope you know how to spell it. It starts with a capital W. Notice how I'm touching the top and the bottom lines, and I'm using all of those lines, okay? W-H-A-T. There's our word what. Look how carefully I didn't go down below. I didn't go over the top. And I tried to make the letters nice and neat, spaced sort of together. And I have the first word what. W-H-A-T. I need my 2-finger space. And I'm going to write the word can. We've been writing the word can forever. And I know you know how to spell it. C-A-N. What can... And then I need a 2-finger space, and I'm going to write the word you. You have been reading and writing the word you for quite some time. Now the you starts with Y, which starts at that dotted line and hangs down below the bottom line. Y-O-U. What can you? So far so good. I hope you're doing okay. I'm going to have a 2-finger space, and the next word is see. I know y'all know how to read that one and write that one. Lowercase s, e, e. And when I wrote those e's, I started the line between the dotted line and the bottom line. When it touched that dotted line and came all the way around. What can you see? I'm going to do 2-finger space, and I'm going to sound out the word at. 2 letters, 2 sounds. Ah, ah. Lowercase a, at. T. I hope you remember that's T sound. What can you see at? I don't know if I have room over there. I'm going to try. I'm going to do my 2-finger space, and I'm going to write the word the. We have been reading and writing the word the forever. T, H, and watch how I do this E. I'm going to make the line in between the dotted line and the bottom line and curve around, touch the bottom. The dotted line, touch the bottom. What can you see at the? Now, if you ran out of space, you always can come down over here, okay? I'm going to do that. Do a whoop, a return sweep, and go to the middle line. What can you see at the? Now, this one, we're going to try that silent E, and we're going to figure out how to spell the word lake. So I'm going to come over here. It's not a new sentence. I'm still writing the same sentence, so I'm not going to have a capital letter. But I need L sound. Hope you remember that's an L. I'm going to stretch it out a little bit more and listen for sounds. L, A. Oh my goodness, that letter says its name. L, A. O, A, K, K. That one is a K. Now the K touches the top line and the bottom line, and then you come out to that dotted line, kick in, kick out. That is a hard one. Then I need something at the end of that word to make that A say its name. And I hope you're yelling at me going, it's the silent E, because it's the silent E. What can you see at the lake? What can you see at the lake? What do I need at the end of that sentence? I'm asking you a question. We need a question mark. What can you see at the lake? I'm done with one sentence. Now I'm going to do a 2-finger space. I'm going to start a whole nother sentence with the word I. And I takes the place of our name, so it is a capital. And this I, the word I, is the beginning of our sentence. So it's got a capital letter. I Need my 2 fingers space. And I need the word see again. I don't even have to think about it because it's right there. I'm going to use it again. I see S. Ah, there's those tricky E's again. I see a. I need my 2 finger space. I need the word a. Thank goodness it says its name, so I know how to spell it. And I'm going to let you fill in that spot right there. I'm going to leave a blank. What can you see at the lake? I don't know if you've ever been at the lake, but think about what you would find in the water. Not so much in the ocean, but in a small area of water. And tell me, I see a blank, and you're going to sound it out and spell it the very best you can, listening for all the sounds and write down the sounds you hear. All right, I see a blank. Once you have filled in that blank, then you have a whole other sentence. And I don't think there's room over there, so I'm going to come over here. New sentence, need a capital letter. And I'm going to figure out how to spell the word it. And it's the beginning of a sentence, so I need a capital. It. If I remember correctly, that is an I, 2 sounds. It. That would be a T. And you've sounded out the word it. It, I need 2 finger space. And I'm going to write the word is. That's one of our high frequency words. We've been reading it, been writing it for quite some time. It is, and you're going to describe it. Tell me what it is. Whatever it was you see at a lake. What can you see at the lake? I see a blank. Whatever you're talking about here, you're going to tell me about more down here. It is. It is green, it is blue, it is purple, it is fluffy, it is fat, it is skinny, it is yellow, it is bumpy, it is, describe it to me. It is something, all right? And then you're going to draw a picture of it. And please share it with me in the comments because I'm dying to see what your writing looks like. All right? Nice work, friends.